with Rihaan. Let's see how he does.
Jackie! Hello everyone. Will you count with me?
Now let's count farm animals 1 to 20. Count the cows. How many are there, Rihaan?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There are 6 cows. Good job, Rihaan. Count the pigs. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15.
There are 15 pigs. Count the houses. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 horses. Hey, just talk.
There are 10 horses. Count the sheep. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Are there 8 cows? There are 8 sheep. Yeah. Good job, Rihaan. Count the donkeys. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
There are 11 donkeys.
Yeah.
Count the dogs. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dogs. I thought it was Douglas.
There are 6 ducks. Good job, Rihaan. Count the goats. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Oh no, there are 20 goats. Count the chickens. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You leave when it's 4.
There are 12 chickens. Good job, Rihaan. Count the llamas. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lambs. That was easy for me.
There are 4 llamas. Good job, Rihaan. Count the turkeys. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Oh no, there are 17 turkeys. Count the rabbits. How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
There are 9 rabbits. Good job. Great job counting all of the farm animals. You're the champion, Rihaan.
Yeah, I'm the champion.
And bye. See you next time. Thank you for watching. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.